like it was all one word, one color.
Because this is how you want it, right, John?
Yep.
Daily Hustle.
Yep.
And it's already scaled because this thing is 48 inches high and then it's going to be 96 inches wide. So that's all, what we have. Watson not bring orders next week then, or won't you have any orders?
We're going to have to tell him if we do.
Yeah,
But Michael will be here though, won't he?
Yeah, I don't want him to be waiting around for Watson.
Yeah. Red and black is nice together though.
Alright guys, so the sign it's been a few months since we took, or probably 2 months since we took that down. And we want to put it up before we head out to the GIE. So hopefully we can get it up there and it's looking nice. So it's a big sign. Big sign. We rotate it.
Yeah, but I'm saying like I want to like run it as a sheet. So that I can tell if I have enough, so I'm not gonna run out.
Yeah, just see how far that runs there. What, 22?
It'll be about 25 probably.
25, okay. Smash it.
What?
Should be good. Alright, peel that baby. See what it is.
I'm gonna like do it in sections though. I'm gonna cut it. Oh, is it peeling? Yeah, you hold one side and I'll hold the other.
Pretty good.
Oh yeah. Oh, bring her back, bring her back. Oh, that's staticky. Okay. I hope. What?
Which part? Yeah, these two parts.
Yep.
And then there's a dot
right there,
too. No, that should work.
Yeah.
We can't see that.
No. Oh. Yeah, that is straight, huh? Straight.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. 'Cause
Been busy
you're
here?
the best, you know
And we've been getting new merch, new inventory, new sweaters, a lot of new stuff in that we're carrying. Check this out though. These sweaters, dude, these are soft. These are Bella canvas. They're, I think, women's. Women's? I don't know. I think they're women. I'd even wear them. They're so comfortable, nice and soft. Got a lot of those ends. And then we got your basic Gildan hoodies. So those are nice. Those are basic. So we have a lot going on in here. Yeah, we're going to be shipping some of these out today. We got a few orders we got for this jacket, Daily Hustle jacket right here. This is a big seller. This is our new jacket. Here's our other jacket. Well, these are light, you guys, very light, and it's good for the fall weather. So yeah, you guys just been hectic, crazy. And check this out. And here's all of our, you guys, our GIE Expo jackets for the team and the polos for the team. These are nice. Look at that. Got our own, very own flag. And then here, I'll bring one out. Right here. Got the Daily Hustle logo on there. Yeah. You guys, to be honest with you, I'm having fun creating this business and just growing this business. This has always been my love, you guys. This has always been something I wanted to do 10 years ago, even before I did landscaping and stuff. I dabbled in the t-shirt business. I would make t-shirts and then try to sell it and all this, but I never really got into it full time. And so fast forward, I don't know, 10 years later, you guys. 10 years later, here we are. We're full-blown making t-shirts, making hats, building this business, building the brand, Daily Hustle brand. It's been a dream of mine, and there's still work, but this type of work, it's not as physical as landscaping, and we can scale this, I believe, bigger than landscaping, and I think that's what I see happening. That's what I've been focused on more, is this business. It's not that I haven't let go of lawn care landscaping. I don't think I ever will let it go, for the fact that is our foundation and our bread and butter to help grow what has this come out of, you know, what this is. And so it's one of those things, you guys, you know, I started lawn care because I needed to, I had to, and it was the easiest thing to do to make some income. It was lawn care, and I had a mower, I had a trimmer, and so that was the easiest thing at that time to do. And plus, I enjoyed being outside. Don't get me wrong, I loved being outside, and that's another reason why I started lawn care. But we grew, and I saw the potential, the opportunity to just keep growing, and so we got into landscaping and all of the other stuff that comes with it, you know, snow removal. And so it just got big, and then got to the point to where I had so many other small businesses. I was running around, you guys. It was a lot. I was spreading myself so thin to the breaking point of I had to do something. So this year, this was my first year, I just let go of everything, you guys, of all the businesses that I started. One wasn't scalable and that much profitable. So it's like wasting my energy, wasting my time running around trying to make a few dollars. And so I wasn't happy. And so here, fast forward again, or this year. Now I'm really focused on the landscaping and the daily hustle. Yeah. This business is actually registered as Chance Daily Hustle, this embroidery shop. And this happened to turn out just because of you guys, the channel, and me wanting to build our brand, our our shirts, our jackets, our products, our merchandise. You guys asked if I had any merch while I was growing this channel, and so here it is. We got the merch, and so this is what grew out of it. And so you guys, I don't know, in the next year or so, I don't know where this is going to take me, but it's growing and we need a system down. I tried, I had mentioned, I think in the previous vlog, I did buy into a software, you know, to do the back end of all of our embroidery and screen print or DTG and all, but it didn't work out, you guys. I dropped it. I spent over $2,000 just to sign up for it, you know, and for, I don't know, 3 months, you guys, it was getting nowhere. It was the company Inksoft, and it just felt like the people that were training us on the back end of the software didn't know what they were doing. It felt like they didn't have it together yet. It was a nice system, but I mean, I felt like whoever was helping us didn't know what they were doing. And so we were getting frustrated, and we were losing money because we were spending $200 a month just to have a software that wasn't working, and it was too much, you know. It was just, it didn't work out, you guys. So we dropped that, and now we're back to just ordering online over email and stuff like that. So we got to figure something out for the back end again, where we can have a system, just something similar to like custom ink, you guys, you know, where you guys can just go in and pick a merch, put your design, and order it. Simple. That's what we want to get to. And so, but for now, we're just ordering online, and we're growing, but we could do better. I'm always thinking about improving and doing better, and that's the key of the business. And you guys, instead of having a catalog, like a, you know, merch catalog, we still do have merch catalog, but now we can just go in here and, you know, you can see we can let's go in. We got all different type of brands, you guys, that we work with in here. As you can see, Eddie Bauer. Let's click on that. So that comes up. You know, this is like our catalog now. So that's what's been happening in here. Busy. We're so busy, you guys, that we gotta get this done before GIE, or most of it, and then whatever order comes in, you know, the week of GIE or whatever, it's just got to be on hold until we get back, because all of us are going. And so we will be taking our store phone with us, so that you know, we can answer any calls that come in while we're down there, and answer any emails and stuff like that, and at least make the sales, and then line up work, you know. So that's what we got going on.
Well, yeah, I want you to look at your schedule too.
Sure.
And see when you can fit Cole in.
Okay.
We agreed that you should cut it.
What day do you work?
Wednesday and Saturday.
Wednesday and Saturday? I probably just need a weekday. Yeah. Yeah, why don't you do that? We'll just pay you.
I'll just throw out a traveling fee. I know how to hustle too.
We'll just do that.
Yep. Ready?
Yep. There you go.
Got it? Oh.
All right, Grandma?
It sounded rougher than it actually felt. So like this one then, or what? Still gonna go up.
Yeah. His logo is pretty big.
Yeah.
Yeah, go up a little bit more.
So should I tell us?
I guess. The soft sweatshirts that we got.
You're wearing it tomorrow for what?
Where are those? Just to wear it.
Oh, right there. Oh, you're putting the daily
Yeah.
on it? Oh, okay.
Yes, I can wear it to wear.
Oh! I want one of those black ones, I think, is the daily also.
I don't know.
Yeah. I just need to try one of those on. I need to try both of them on.
Well, I just ended up buying both of them. But
Oh, yeah, that's it.
15 each. Correct?
Make him come in twice, because that guy likes to spend.
Come on. Okay, sounds good.